Hey guys, Rovo back with another video. I'm going to show you this interesting feature that is called the Smart Create for your Confluence whiteboards. It consists of two features, which is first brainstorming, and you also have options to create the charts. The way it works is powered by Rovo, and you just type in anything that you actually want to create, and it actually gets created within the whiteboards themselves. Let me show you how it works. There's an option of Smart Create right here, and there's an option of brainstorming. What do I want to brainstorm about? Let's say sales, presentation, cards for electronic cars, for example. I'm going to give it a prompt, and voila, it goes right away, and it actually creates, and it actually starts creating the card itself. Currently it seems it's only one card. Oh nope, of course there are more cards. You just need to wait for it. Currently, for all of the cards that I used to actually create, the Robo is creating 5 cards there. Innovative technology in electric cars, advanced battery technologies, autonomous driving systems, connectivity to IoT integration, growth potential, exploring autonomous, and their key technologies. Implementation of AI chatbot for the education industry. And I'm going to go with this. So now it is now reviewing actually my question. Well, basically it's not my question. It is just a command that I give it. And this is actually how it works, right? So it starts creating the chart itself. Not only that, but you will see in the moment that basically it will actually interconnect everything into one, and there will be a logic that will be created for this. So as you can see, this can actually go pretty far, and indeed is actually going pretty far. And as you can see, it is making these connections and also making alignments as well. And there is this logic of yes and no. So what actually happens in here, and there's also connection here. The logical one as well. And what happens is we have yes and no branch, and then we also have like comeback and everything else. So as you can see, it is creating this, and it looks pretty clean, right? So it's the whole chart, like identify educational needs and objectives, engage stakeholders, select chatbot platform and technology, design educational content and scenarios, plan integration with existing systems. Now is data privacy and security ensured? And then what happens from there? So you have either yes or no, and then you have the training of the chatbot. Then you also have the options of the option of pilot deployment. Is user feedback positive? Yes and no, and there you go. So it really is something that is so powerful that you can indeed create and use for your own purposes. And of course, there is also the last feature in there, which is the mind map. And I'm going to say sales growth for 30% for the end of the year strategy for electronic cars. So I'm gonna go with electronic cars, not electronic cards, electronic cars. So Rovo is gonna go through it, and then it's gonna start building it's gonna be a mind map. So mind map is a bit different. So as you can see, it looks like this. And it goes, and it goes, and it goes, and it grows more, and it grows more, as you can see. So really, this can save you a lot of time in here. So customer experience and retention. Then you have product technology and innovation. Then you have pricing and incentives. Then you have sales enabling and team growth. Then you have market expansion, marketing and awareness campaigns. So all of these things can actually be contained within a mind map itself. And this is how the mind map gets generated. So we had cards that got generated. We have a flow chart that was generated, and it can be a really complex flow chart in here. And a simpler this is a simpler mind map that that can be really used, and this is, well, basically how you're actually using it. So that is the main idea behind it, and that is how the Smart Create for Confluence whiteboards work. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Bye.